Now we are going to learn about lists. Lists store multiple items in a single variable. Among Python's most versatile and frequently used data structures, created using square brackets, lists help organize related data for easy manipulation and access. Key properties of lists: ordered, changeable, allow duplicates, zero-based indexing. Ordered. In a sense, items maintain their sequence exactly as you define them. Changeable. In a sense, add, remove, or modify items after creation. We can add, we can remove, and we can modify the items in the list. And the same value can appear multi times. The first item is at a position 0, not 1. The index variable index number starts from 0. How to create a list and its data types. Lists can be created using square brackets or the list constructor. See here a list mentioned named fruits equals apple, banana, cherry, numbers, list 1, 2, 3. List can contain any data type, even mix it in the same list. So here it's a string, it's a number, it's a boolean type, it's a number, and it's a string. So multiple data types can be in a list. Accessing items. Positive index we can access due to positive index and negative index slicing. So in positive index, my list of 0 gets the first item. So as in the list, the first number starts with the index variable 0, index number 0. So my list minus 1 gets the last item. Slicing, my list 1 is to 3 items get from 1 to the item second. Modifying list. Change values, add items, remove items. Replace existing items with new ones. So my list of 1, index variable 1. So whatever in the index variable of 1 will be changed to the orange and adding an items. So expand your list with new elements. So from the before list, we can add the new list, new number. See here, my list dot append a grape. So from the last list, the grape will be extra added. Remove items. We can remove an item which is already existing in a list. So here my list dot remove banana. In this, in previous list, the banana contains in that list, but in the upcoming list, we have deleted or removed the banana. Common list operations: length, slicing, concatenation, membership. So here length of my list. So how many number of items contains is given by the length. My list 1 is to 3. So sublist of that items, in the sense it is called as slicing. List 1 plus list 2. So it's concatenation. It adds the both lists and creates another list. Apple in my list. So membership, in the sense if there is an apple in the previous list, it gives true. Otherwise, it gives false. Useful list methods. Append adds an item at the end. Pop removes and returns an item. Insert adds item at specified position. Sort orders list items. List comprehensions. Powerful syntax creates list with a single line of code. Filter elements. Include only items that match conditions. Transform data. Apply operations to each element. Example: creating a list. So here a list created by the name fruits. It contains the items apple, banana, cherry. Accessing elements. Print loop fruits of index variable 1. The output will be get as banana. This is 0. This is index variable 0. It starts with the variable 0 index number. And here banana, it's the index number 1. So we will get the output as banana. Adding an element. Fruits.append. orange. So here you will get the orange added in the first list. See here, we got the output as orange also. Removing an element. Fruits to remove. Apple. So in the above list we have apple, but in the upcoming list we have removed the apple. So the output is banana, cherry, orange. Final list. Print fruits. We got the list that here. After the all accessing, adding, and removing, we got the final output. List in practice summary. Data analysis, web element, game development, automation, store measurement series, experiments results, and statistical data. Web development. Manage user inputs, track from submissions, and organize page elements. Track player scores, manage inventory items, and store game states. Process batches of files, manage tasks, queues, and track execution results.